Hey kids, how are you? Are you excited to learn a new lesson with me? Great! So today we are going to learn about pronoun mine. So pronoun mine is a possessive pronoun which is used in place of first person singular. I know you're a little bit confused between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Look, it's very simple. A possessive pronoun and possessive adjective both are used to show possession or ownership, but possessive pronoun is not followed by a noun. It usually comes at the end of the sentence. But possessive adjective is followed by a noun. Let's take one example of pronoun mine as a possessive pronoun. This car is mine. So, in this sentence, pronoun mine denotes that the car belongs to first person singular and it is not followed by a noun. So let's see some examples and make the concept of pronoun mine clear. So Rudy, our first example of pronoun mine is these books are mine. So who is the speaker in this sentence? I am the speaker in this sentence. So I will be the first person because I am talking about myself only, that these books are mine. Now why we have used the pronoun mine? Because pronoun mine tells us that what thing belongs to which person. I can tell that what this little brain is thinking, that
Yes.
What is the difference between pronoun my and pronoun mine, right?
Yes.
It's very easy. Pronoun my and pronoun mine both are used to show that what thing belongs to which person. But pronoun my is followed by a noun, which means it is a possessive adjective. But pronoun mine is not followed by a noun, which means it is a possessive pronoun which comes at the end of the sentence. So Rudy, our second example of pronoun mine is the shirt is mine. So in this sentence, we have used the pronoun mine to show that the shirt belongs to me. So Rudy, read the last example.
This pencil box is mine.
Correct. So who is the speaker?
It's me.
And who is the first person?
It's me.
Correct. And why we have used the pronoun mine? Because it tells us that the pencil box belongs to me.
Oh, now I got it.
Very nice. So, I hope you're very clear that what is pronoun mine. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.